Building credit without a credit card is a great way to establish a strong financial foundation. To start, it is essential to understand what credit is and how it works. Credit refers to the ability to borrow money or access goods and services without immediate payment, based on the trust that you will pay later. The first step to building credit without a credit card is to become an authorized user on someone else's credit account, typically a family member or spouse with good credit. This means you will be added to their existing credit account, and their payment history will be reflected on your credit report. Another option is to take out a credit builder loan, which is specifically designed for people who want to build credit. With a credit builder loan, you borrow a small amount of money and repay it in installments over a set period of time. As you make payments, the lender reports your payment history to the credit bureaus, helping you build credit. You can also build credit by making on-time payments on other bills, such as rent, utilities, and phone bills. While these payments are not typically reported to the credit bureaus, some services can help you report them and build credit. Additionally, consider opening a savings account or becoming a member of a credit union, which can provide access to loans and other financial products that can help you build credit. To monitor your progress, check your credit report regularly to ensure it is accurate and up to date. You can request a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. In conclusion, building credit without a credit card requires patience, discipline, and responsible financial habits. By following these steps and maintaining good credit habits, you can establish a strong credit foundation and enjoy better financial opportunities in the future. Remember to always make on-time payments, keep debt levels low, and monitor your credit report to build a healthy credit profile.